making some weird ticking noise. I don't know what the hell it is. And it's shaking down there. I don't know if you can see. Can't really see it. It's like shaking. Anybody knows, please help me out. No fucking idea.